I wanted to do mechanical engineering mainly because I was very interested in manufacturing processes and robotics. My dad was in the textile business. He really wanted to establish a textile manufacturing facility. So part of my ambition early childhood was to sort of grow up and help him establish his manufacturing facility. So that's the reason for picking engineering. I think there were three factors that probably made a big impact in my success. One, of course, the family, my dad, my brothers, my sister, and helped us develop a sense of values of always focusing not so much on money but on what we do in life, what impact we are making. The second, education. For somebody who grew up literally on the streets of Bombay to decide to spend every ounce of his energy and his money on our education. So I had this drive to take as many classes as I could every semester. It was intimidating at first, being 17 and in a group of people who could barely understand me. I literally finished my engineering degree in 6 semesters. I officially graduated in April of 1983. And I think the third factor I would like to talk about is the ability of people in this country to accept new ideas. Most people in the industry probably know me or my organization, Case Services, as changing the way an oil field operates. This just didn't happen overnight. Once Shell gave me the opportunity to start working with their automation project, I was able to significantly change and convince people about doing things differently. Once we sold our first company, both my dad and Rahul really had this passion to give back. It just became very natural for us to do that. We started working with different organizations, got quite involved with several educational institutions, and UH has a very distinct place in our hearts because all 4 of us went to UH. Overall, we are truly happy with the UH engagement. I think it's an award probably not so much for my accomplishment, but it reflects the efforts of UH, efforts of my parents, my family, and also the industry that we all choose to serve. So totally humbled. I'm sure the UFH has hundreds of examples. And if anything, I would like to convey that both the MREB building, the engineering school serve as platforms for creating more people like me to do this over and over again.